welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video is another hair spray recipe. So I this is my let me say this is Mary's touch recipe. So I'm specifically making this for myself, and you know me that hey. So Rosemary, please, you might be familiar with all this, but please watch this video to the end so that you can see this recipe. This recipe is a banger, like it is a banger. So I've not been adding any hairspray to my hair for the past like 1 week. I went for a conference and I didn't take any hairspray. So I'll making it specifically for myself. For myself. Like I said, if you're familiar with this, please just watch how I prepared this recipe. If you don't know, that's clove and rosemary. We all know that rosemary and clove, they are good ingredients to grow your hair long, like very very long. So if you are trying to grow your hair, please keep on watching this video. We are trying to grow your hair, please keep on watching this video. Rosemary is very very potent. Clove, very potent. So please keep on watching. Just soak it, leave it for 2 days, add it to your spraying bottle, then add your air conditioner to heat. Don't soak your hair conditioner for 2 days. But if you are not using your hair conditioner, if you are using your clove and rosemary, soak both for 2 days. You can soak with just normal cool water or soak with hot water. Anyone, just leave it for 2 days before using. that is it, and you are good to go. So much for watching today, and I want to see you in my next video. If you don't know me, my name is Mary, and how what I do on this channel is called about skin and hair care. Yes, thank you so much for staying by to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.